That's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Billy Crow eating his food. But beautiful bike here, FXRS. Sorry, FXLR Dyno Lowrider. Or the, not Dyno, FXR Lowrider. Beautiful bike, big motor, Delkron, 96 cubic inch S&S jugs on it. Edelbrock Performer heads, very rare. Very rarely see these things. Okay, these were like a couple of grand in a day. Push button starter, as you can see. Mids, which is cool. Vansilized 2-in-1 exhaust, GMA rear brake. Cracking bit of kit. You got Weld Racing wheels going on as well. Plus custom fork brace. You've got your P&M 6-pot on the front with a nice Russell disc, I believe it is. No braking disc. Crankcase vent, Don hot top parts. You've got the rear light. You've got this beautiful coil cover. You've got your Mega Money Dyna coils, 2 separate ones under here instead of the one. As I say, mids fitted still on this bike. Different rear footrest. Widened swinging arm, you can see here, quite wide. The original, like a 130 tyre. This is a 150. We've still got bags of room in there. You could get a 180, 200 in this baby. The whole frame's been stretched in the middle and pushed apart, and the custom swinging arm's been fitted, as you can see. The GMA rear brake, really well over-engineered as usual. But basically, very, very nice bit of kit. Very cool bike. And as you can see, not bad nick, considering this thing's 1992. But see if he'll start up. It should do. We'll have to use this one. Oh. Classic Harley noise. No doubt now it'll cut out because it's stone cold. Bit of blood on here from earlier on. See, nice sound. Very powerful bike. Just been up the road on it, and my God, it done half go. It really does. McCuney car wants some kind of got an HSR 45 on it. Wants some brackets to hold this on. Whoever's done it hasn't even bothered, and the breathers are in mid-air, but that'll all be sorted, as you can see. Crankcase vent, spelled with a K. Very rare bit of kit on here. This thing here, you won't believe how expensive that is. It basically stops crankcase pressure, but this thing done half go, it really does. You can hear the lumpy as hell because they've got the big motor in. This is a Delkron 96Q S&S barrel, as you can see, and I'll say the Edelbrock Performer heads. So if you want to really get a bat on, beat all your mates, believe me, this baby will do it. Mustang fastback seat, flames. As you can hear, a real animal bike. Very, very powerful bike. This is not a Harley motor at all. It's got an internal belt drive as well, BDL. So you ain't got no oil problems in there. You've got a very, very good clutch. You know, like a Kevlar plated clutch, plus the belt drive, so you can whack about 200 or 300 horsepower through that as well. If ever you want to turbo it or supercharge it. Original clocks, for some reason, back to front should be here, which we're going to swap around. But pretty cool bike, all original switch gear and stuff on it by the looks of it. Just chrome housings, that custom chrome housings, and great looking bike. If you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666. CustomCruisers.com or the e-site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.